Yes, well, 1 week with us in South Africa was a hard time for you?
No, not really. I mean, it's been an incredible privilege to host the German delegation of toolmakers from VDWF. I think our country is well known for what you can see behind us here. Hopefully after this visit you'll also see that there's some technology and some challenges in this country.
Yes, of course. It was. One of the nicest and impressed days was Thursday, when we saw your institute and the education of the toolmakers here in South Africa. I think it's a really good way, and I like it. It's very good. Can you explain our toolmakers in Germany a little bit of this way?
Yeah, basically we've been busy with this project since 2005, when we started off in a very small way, and I think we've made quite a bit of important progress. Certainly we felt quite comfortable inviting you and your delegation of industrialists to come and see what we're doing. So I'd say we're probably 25% of the way there. I think we've said to you throughout this visit that we really admire the German toolmaking industry, and we're modelling ourselves on that. So we've built the foundations, and we're hoping with your own organisation that we can look at the future and see how we can improve ourselves. And clearly, you know, what we're trying to do is create jobs for black people.
Yes, of course.
In manufacturing and tooling.
That we understood in this week, and on Thursdays we make a small we see a small little bit into the future with the World Coffee workshop, and it was a very interesting thing to do that, and we talk about some questions, some answers, and I hope that we have create good questions for the future and describe the new way for both.
I think what I was very impressed of is you also have a vision, you know, around energy and mobility.
Yes.
And it's probably no coincidence that just before your visit we had the solar challenge. And I think to a small extent we'd also like to show the German industrialists, you know, that there is pockets of excellence in this country. So we showed you the solar vehicle which we built in 2 weeks before the race,
yes,
and achieved the 3rd position. And then we showed you some of the hydrogen technology, fuel cell.
That's very interesting, yes.
And I think that's where we as South Africans partnering with Germany could really see those niche areas, you know, something that's exciting for your industry,
yeah,
but that's a market opportunity for this country. I mean, as we stand here, all the minerals are under the ground. This is the platinum belt. So there's a lot of opportunities. And I must say, you know, we want to model ourselves on the German industrial example. We believe it's the best in the world.
Yes, and when I make some conclusions of this week, and now in this time, it was a wonderful time here in South Africa. For all these members, for me, I'm very impressed what has happened here, and I think we can build a little bit of the future together, and I hope so. Thank you very much for that.
Professor, thanks very much.
Thank you.